What's up, guys? It's your boy WHOTUCKIS here. Today is Saturday. Thursday, I got my wisdom teeth removed. I had 3. Still in pain, but I'm gonna try to, be consistent. At least at the very least, put out 4 videos a month. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna install spacers on the E34. I don't know if you guys saw in the coilovers part 2 video, but I had a lot of positive offset. If you guys aren't familiar with offset, positive is closer towards the end center of the vehicle, so it's in like this. Negative offset is further out from the vehicle. So what we're going to do is today we're going to eliminate the BMW lugs. We're going to put in extended stud lugs. I think that's the name for them. These are 78mm in length. Might be too big, but I'm not sure. Hopefully it's not. And with these, you got to put lug nuts on it. So we're spacers, extended studs, lug nuts, and we're going to try to get that offset a lot more negative. So let's get to doing it. My teeth hurt like hell. Give it a thumbs up for at least, mustering up the energy to come out here and do this video for you guys. If you guys are running these spacers, and if you are fortunate enough to get actual 5x120s, these were $40 for 2, so they're not true 5x120, but it gets the job done. Now, if you are running these, most of the time they do come with these extended chrome lug bolts. I highly advise not running these just due to the fact that they're cheap compared to the BMW ones. Like these guys, these are just cheap. So we got the car jacked up. We're gonna take out these lugs and finally get rid of them. You guys just saw the back. It looks really good, so I'm hoping the same is applied to the front, because I was very pleased with the way the back looks. So again, my teeth hurt. I'm gonna keep saying that. So give me a thumbs up, because I'm out here for you guys in pain doing some BMW shit. Thumbs it. Come on, let's do it. Alright, so remember the last video I was telling you guys I was rubbing? There's no doubt. Come on, focus. No doubt I was rubbing. Look at all that fucking rubber everywhere. Trouble putting these lug studs in, use a hammer, use a crowbar or something to brace against the lugs, so when you turn it, it stays tight. Alright guys, so there you go. I got the spacers installed. I got the extended lugs installed. The offset looks a lot better. It's a lot more pushed out. It needs to definitely be aligned. It needs to be fine-tuned a little bit. Camber has to get adjusted somehow, but I'm not doing that. That'll be for another video. So, like I said, the offset's a lot better. It's definitely within the fender lines and stuff, and it looks good. So, let's take a look and see what it looks like. So that's it. Spacers are on, extended lug nuts are on, and they're not too long, surprisingly. Actually, they might be a little too long, but it's okay. It's 2019. We can run whatever we want. But spacers are installed. The extended lugs or studs are installed. Fitment's a lot better. It's not rubbing on the strut, which is a plus. And yeah, I'm pleased with it. So give me a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe, all that famous YouTube stuff, and hopefully you liked the video. My teeth hurt, so I'm gonna go home and take my medicine and probably go to sleep. Peace.